Hey, what's up? You know, Christmas and New Year are coming, so we need to choose presents as soon as possible. I believe that home appliances are one of the best gifts, because they are not only interesting, but also very useful. I think anyone would be happy to get a robot vacuum cleaner. I have an exciting idea for you. This is a new robot vacuum cleaner, PREMBOT P3. First, it has an affordable price of $199. There is also 100 degrees visual angle and gyroscope navigation, 2300 Pascal suction power, 110 minutes of a battery life, and a mopping function. You know, I haven't had robot vacuum cleaners from a PREMBOT company, so I'm very interested in testing the new PREMBOT P3. By the way, this robot vacuum cleaner has a model name of C100 Pro. Just keep in mind that it is the same product. PREMBOT P3 comes in a cardboard box. First I thought that this is a shipping package, but this is actually the box of a vacuum cleaner. There is no company logo or any other information about product on the box. When you open the box, you will find a robot vacuum cleaner, dust box, water box, mop, cleaning brush, two side brushes, charging dock and power adapter, remote control and batteries for it, and quick user guide. That's all you get in the package with a new robot vacuum cleaner. Talking about design of PREMBOT P3, it looks like the other robot vacuum cleaners. It has a round body of black color. The dimensions of a vacuum cleaner are 350 by 350 by 73 mm. The weight is 2.9 kilograms. On the top we can see the navigation sensor, start button, home button, and Wi-Fi indicator. The power switch is located on the side face. PREMBOT P3 also has a bumper on the front to cushion the impact on the walls and furniture. Now let's take a look at the bottom of robot vacuum cleaner. Here we have two charging contacts, multi-directional wheel, two side brushes, two main wheels, main brush, and dust bin. By the way, PREMBOT P3 is equipped with anti-drop sensors. There are 3 of them, and they are located on the front, left, and right. The sensors work really well. The robot vacuum cleaner doesn't fall off the table. As already said, there is a dust bin and water tank in the package of a PREMBOT P3. A dust bin has a capacity of 580 milliliters. It is really big. There is a HEPA filter inside a dust bin. You know, there is only one HEPA filter in the package, but the good news is that it is washable. Talking about water tank, it is not only for water, but it can also be used as a dust bin. This is 2-in-1 suction tank. It has 280 milliliters dust bin and 240 milliliters water tank. Before using water tank and mopping a floor, you need to attach the mop to the base. Finally, let's take a look at the charging dock. It has a large sensor on the front to communicate with a robot vacuum cleaner, as well as 2 charging contacts. The power supply port is located on the back. There is also a compartment to hide the extra cable. By the way, I also found a notch on the top of the charging dock. I think it is meant for the remote control. Let's take a closer look at it. First, a remote control has a button for auto cleaning and return to the charging dock. Then we can see navigation buttons for manual control of robot vacuum cleaner, as well as start, pause cleaning. PREMBOT P3 has 3 cleaning modes, such as Spot, Edge, and Manual.
Spot cleaning. Edge cleaning.
Using remote control, you can also change the suction level and water volume.
Water cleaning. Low suction. Moderate suction. High suction. Low suction.
So basically, you can operate the robot vacuum cleaner with a remote control. However, it also supports application on smartphone. Let's take a look at the function of the app. The app is called Tuya, and it is available on Android and iOS devices. In the app we can see a status of robot vacuum cleaner, such as standby, auto cleaning, pause, etc. Then there is a clean area, clean time, and battery level. You can tap on the big On button to start cleaning. Click on the Map button to see the cleaning route of robot vacuum cleaner, and Charge button to return the vacuum cleaner to charging dock. We can also choose a cleaning mode from Auto, Edge, Spot, and Manual. Another useful function in the app is Schedule. There's also more menu, where we can change the suction power, check cleaning records, seek robot vacuum cleaner, reset lifetime of the filter and brushes, mute and set water volume. Okay, the robot vacuum cleaner looks really good. However, we have to do a cleaning test before we draw the conclusions. For the cleaning test, I collected 100 grams of garbage. This is tea, cereals and other small garbage. I run the robot vacuum cleaner in auto mode at maximum suction power. By the way, I am using a 2-in-1 suction tank, so the vacuum cleaner picks up garbage and mops the floor at the same time. I think this is a very useful feature. The cleaning took only 3 minutes. PREMBOT P3 robot vacuum cleaner collected 95 grams of garbage, so the cleaning efficiency is 95%. That's very good for a budget robot vacuum cleaner. By the way, I didn't tell you about battery of PREMBOT P3 robot vacuum cleaner. It is equipped with 2600 mAh battery. This is enough for 110 minutes of cleaning or 120 square meters. When the battery of robot vacuum cleaner is low, it automatically returns to the charging dock. At the same time, the robot vacuum cleaner remembers where it stopped and continues the cleaning after the battery is charged. In my opinion, PREMBOT P3 is one of the best robot vacuum cleaners under $200. Although it has gyroscope navigation, not laser, there is an additional 100 degrees of visual scanning. Thanks to it, the robot vacuum cleaner builds the best cleaning route. I also like 2-in-1 suction tank. PREMBOT P3 can vacuum and mop the floor at the same time. This significantly reduces the cleaning time because you don't need to change a dustbin to water tank. By the way, PREMBOT also has a robot vacuum cleaner with laser navigation. If you're interested, write in the comments below and we will try to get it to make full review. Thank you for watching, see you soon!